Some customers complained that the pushing plate machine drive, plus the linear feeder, requires 2 controllers to complete. The driving cost is high, and the debugging is troublesome. Came to ask Ms. Wang if there is any good way to solve it? Today Ms. Wang brought you an old friend, which is our SDVC 311 series. Although this controller has been on the market for a long time, it has completed 2 major functional upgrades this year. The first upgrade is the addition of a pushing plate machine mode, which previously required an additional motor drive but now only requires 1 controller. It can realize both the pushing plate machine drive and the linear feeder drive. This not only saves production costs, but also saves tedious equipment debugging steps. The second upgrade is that it has added pin parameters, which can restore the saved controller parameters by restoring factory settings. No longer afraid of not being able to find the original settings after adjusting the parameters. These 2 major upgrades not only save money for the bosses in front of the screen, but also save engineers from worry. In the next issue, Ms. Wang will invite our product manager to bring you a practical tutorial on the pushing plate machine. Follow Ms. Wang. Ms. Wang will take you to learn more about controllers.